I'm a new mom, and my daughter Peyton loves Miss Rachel, like loves Miss Rachel. And I'm seeing all over Facebook groups of all these mom groups saying, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much money Miss Rachel is making. I could do that. I could have a YouTube channel. I could sing some funny songs and dance and make all this money on YouTube, right?" Guys, yes, you can. Yes, it's possible, but they don't understand the amount of work that goes into Miss Rachel's videos. They don't understand the amount of editing that goes in, the green screen and the SEO. They don't understand all the things that go into making these videos amazing. And they just think that they can just, dance around. Do you know how many people have tried to just dance around and make videos like Miss Rachel and have failed? Yeah, there's a lot. But there are so many different things that Miss Rachel does, and I want to help you create your own business. So whether you want to start a YouTube channel, or whether you want to start podcasts, or whether you want to start being a virtual assistant and working behind the scenes and making some extra money by doing social media or creating graphics, I can help you with those skills. I'm hosting a free challenge where I can really help you to dig in and figure out what skills you have and how to monetize them. So maybe you don't want to create a YouTube channel at all. That's amazing. That's fine. I'm going to help you figure out what skills you have and how to make money off of them. So head over to the link in my bio, look at the pinned comment, and sign up for the 31-day challenge. It's going to be so much fun. I'll see you there.